morning, ladies and gentlemen. Chloe's texting, as usual. We're going to a place called, it's near Dursley in Gloucester to deliver the bike, which is in the back. There's the back, and this is the front. We're in the front, the bike's in the back. To deliver it to a man, which I'm not going to disclose his name unless he lets me, who bought it.
Voldemort.
Sorry?
That's his name, Voldemort.
Who?
Do you know what's Harry Potter?
Why do I want to watch Harry Potter?
Doesn't matter then, you won't get it. It's fine.
Vold, you?
Voldemort.
Who's he?
I'm not explaining the whole plot of Harry Potter to you.
Why?
Just watch the films.
We've got a 2-hour drive. I'm not watching the bloody films just so as I know what you
just stay in the dark
said.
because I can't be bothered to explain it to you.
You know what cottaging is?
I don't want to know.
It's where two
Shut
men go into a cubicle
Shut up.
with a carrier bag. You're warm enough, it's hot in here.
I've just said that.
Give us your hand.
Go away.
Give me your hand.
Go away.
Give me your hand.
No. Go away. Leave me alone.
Give me your
Stop.
You're looking very feminine today, Chloe.
Pardon?
Looking very feminine.
Why? The only different thing I've done today is put a scarf on.
Why? Don't bloody question me.
I'm just saying the only thing I've done different is put eyeshadow on.
Don't turn it into a bloody insult.
I'm not turning it into an insult.
I know what you bloody women are like. I'll say, oh, you're looking nice today. What, you're trying to say I don't look nice normally? Police!
Ambulance.
Ambulance! Anyway, I need to apologise, and I'm going to apologise on behalf of Chloe as well because
No.
because she won't.
I don't need to.
She hasn't replied to any of the comments on her videos because she doesn't give a shit about her YouTube channel. She ain't bothered about subscribers.
That sounds very nasty. You're making me sound like a very nasty person.
Do you care about your YouTube channel? Do you care about your YouTube channel?
Well, I don't not care about it.
Do you care about your YouTube channel?
Just answered your question.
No. You're 130 subscribers and you don't care. Anyway, she doesn't reply to comments.
Carry on.
She doesn't reply to comments because she doesn't give a shit about it. So you watch the video, you make a comment, she won't reply. And I've got an apology to make from me because I haven't replied to the comments on mine because I just haven't had time because I've been decorating and building walls and moving kitchens round and knocking shit down and building shit. Putting a freezer in that I don't need, that Chloe wants. Oh, is that look? You just give me that look. Oh, we just stopped for a drink.
I was hungry. Leave me alone.
I got coffee. Chloe bought McDonald's. The whole place. I was going to the loo, right? There's a mobile phone thing somewhere. And this woman tried to stop me and she said, "Hello sir, are you happy with your phone? Would you like to come and have a look at some?" I said, "No, I'd like to go for the toilet, please." I was just, the toilet was there and she was standing there bloody trying to sell me a pissing phone. This coffee's like piss. Not like I drink piss.
I'm gonna say.
I've never drank piss, okay?
How do you know it tastes like piss then?
It's just a phrase. It's like McDonald's tastes like shit. But I haven't eaten shit. We have got instructions when we get there because apparently the road isn't named.
Isn't named?
Correct.
Oh.
Guess who forgot the instructions?
You dickhead.
No, you did.
No, I did not.
Yes, you did.
I didn't even know there were instructions. So.
Oh, now you deny it. Did you bring the instructions, yes or no?
I didn't even have them in
Did you bring the instructions, yes or no?
I didn't even have them in the first place!
There's no need to shout at me.
It is!
I'm
yes!
sitting here.
No, I don't care!
Did you bring the instructions?
The instructions are your fault.
Did you bring the instructions? I didn't. You do know that we're going to go and end up going down a country lane or something and then stopping, getting stuck in a field somewhere.
Do you realise I'm going to kick you out of the car and drive back home and leave you all by yourself?
We're going to end up destitute.
You are, I know.
Then I'll end up a prostitute.
Yeah, probably.
Just to make ends meet.
And
we'll
even then you'll be struggling.
surviving on £5 a year.
If we're lucky.
I think we'll be owing money. Oh, a bit of randomness as well. Chloe's got the best perfume I've ever smelt, which is... I'm eating by Jean-Claude Van Damme.
No. By Marc Jacobs.
Marc Jacobs. And it's called Daisy. It's not for men. It's for men to smell, but not for men to wear, because that's just completely wrong. Don't do it. Anyway, I want to know. I woke up the other day. No, was it? I woke up the other day. Oh, what the hell's that? There was an M&M on my pillow. It was stuck to my pissing face. Melted everywhere. How the bloody hell? I found one in my pocket once. I thought, yeah, okay, because you throw them at me. I can understand that, but not one. How the hell did it get on the side of my face? Just appearing everywhere.
Because you throw them everywhere.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No,
You're like, Chloe, do you want an M&M? Yes, please. I'll hold out my hand. I'll have about half the bag on my hand. I'm like, excuse me. Then they're all over the sofa, all over the floor. They're all on me. They're all on the laptop. I'm like, hey.
Yeah, but that's funny.
Not bloody funny.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
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 Yes, it
No,
is.
it's not.
Yes, it is.
Isn't.
Yes, it
No.
is. Yes,
No.
it is. That's the one, isn't
That's
it?
it. Yeah, that's it. That's his
He's got a roller in the drive. Oh, I'm scared. I built a cheap shit bike.
And he's bought it. Tra-la-la-la-la.
So where are we going to go?
Go right.
No, where's it say? How did you?
The second, right.
The second gate.
The second gate. So right, drive on. And then.
We have to go through the second gate.
It's not here. Go, slow down a bit, because it's that set of gates right there, right there, right there, on the right, right
So
here,
we're going
here,
here?
here, right now, no.
Oh my God, he's got an A40.
Right, let's have a little go then, shall we? Oh, you're about the same size as me, aren't you?
Yeah. Lucky.
Right, power on.
Yeah. Twist and go.
Wow.
He rides a Hayabusa, and I was a bit worried that, you know, he's in his 70s, that he might not be able to. He rides a Hayabusa, for God's sake. And he's got this massive garden.
Oh, there's a squirrel. And he's chasing the squirrel.
Wow.
Loving life.
God, it's bloody brilliant, isn't it? Power in there.
Yeah.
It's got a bit of torque. Don't you go?
I'm alright,
Are
thanks.
you sure?
Yeah.
The brakes will still need bedding in, because obviously it hasn't had that much run
Yeah, I
on
remember
it,
you
so
saying.
yeah. No. You're happy?
No camera in my face.
And then you overtake them at 1 mile an hour. This is what I do on the Suzuki.
Make sure you're pedalling.
Yeah. Oh, I love it. I'm going to have such fun. Irritated cyclist. Right, when we go. Whoa, I've got a wheelie then.
Let's do a video.
No.
Just to prove that this thing's going to a good home. With loads of bikes in the garage. Are you happy?
Don't touch the devil.
Okay. Well, we've just dropped the bike off to Alan and Wendy.
Yeah.
The nicest people I have ever met in my life, and I'm so glad that it's actually gone to them. It's gone to a fantastic home, and I was a bit worried that whoever bought it had just completely trashed it, but I know it's going to be well looked after. And I can't. Fuck.
Have you had a brain fart?
Yeah. So we're heading off home now. That's this way, I hope.
I think it is.
And we'll be home in a couple of hours to carry on and do decorating and moving shit and building shit and destroying shit. All to keep one person happy.
Me! You're patting my head for?
I don't know.
Weirdo.
It seemed like
You've just ruined a perfectly nice moment.
being a coffee connoisseur that I am. I do love a nice, good, strong cup of coffee, like my men. Being a coffee I even said the joke wrong.
Yeah, you
It's
did.
supposed to be strong and black like the my men. Being a coffee Chloe's just been rude.
No, I haven't.
Being a coffee connoisseur that I am, I do love my coffee.
Like I love
We had McDonald's. Shit. It was like drinking hot water. Flavoured water. Costa. With 2 extra Americano with 2 extra shots of coffee, it just tastes like bitter water. There's hardly any taste. Because apparently... What?
What?
They use what?
Oh, they use half and half. So they use half Robusta beans and half Arabica beans.
Yes.
But then
Starbucks.
which is who you like,
Yes.
they just use pure Arabica beans.
Pure Arabica beans.
Yeah.
So what you want is a coffee shop with pure Arabica beans. Not this shit. You know what a pram is?
Yeah.
Do you know what it's short for? The word pram. The word pram is short for pushchair.
No, a pram is a pushchair. No, a pram is a pushchair. Is it not?
No.
Why are you laughing at me so much?
Oh, pram is short for perambulator.
That sounds dirty.
Oh, they are for shitting them.